Hello, welcome back. Today I have my FabFitFun box to unbox. It says pumpkin spice and everything nice. I'm so excited. Let's get right into it and see. We get the usual coupons, some paper, the FabFitFun and Games saying hello fall. I'm super excited about fall. Then we have a lodge candle from Free People. I love candles. It smells really nice. It's the lodge candle. It has a really pretty fall color to it. Now let's see if my assistant's gonna come help me. Yep, there he is. Wanna check it out? So that is cool from Free People. Then what do we have here? Living Proof for perfect hair day, dry hair shampoo. I love this because when you have your hair all done and you don't want to have to redo it again, this stuff is amazing. The next thing we got is hand and body wash from Botany Calls. Oh goodness, they must be expecting cold and flu season because they sent over some throat balm from Ricola. Soothes and protects. Okay, what else do we have here? We have Fenty Beauty. And this is, just a second, Fenty Beauty. I lost my glasses. I'll be right back. Okay, we're making a video here. All right. Can't do a FabFitFun video without the FabFitFun glasses. Wow. Okay, so this is a Fenty Beauty product by Rihanna, and it is the Ease Drop Lift All Over Glow Enhancer. It says it's a next level glow enhancer for your complexion, light as air and always radiant. That's what it looks like. All right, let's see what's next. We have Cover FX Custom Enhancer Palette. Our best-selling custom enhancer drops shades now in a buildable, talc-free pressed powder with the same illuminating glow. So we've got Candlelight, Sunlight, and Blossom. So let's check it out. Let's see what this one looks like. Ooh. Oh. I got glitter all over. It's all over the place. That's a bummer. Let's open it. Oh, completely broken. It's everywhere. I don't know if you can see that. I don't want to spill any more, but I don't know. That's not going to work for me. I can't have that and travel and go places and have it spilling everywhere. Beautiful. It has a nice color to it, but now I got this color everywhere. I was super excited about that powder. Look how much got all over. What a bummer. Moving right along, let's see what we got. Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. So this cream is, you use your fingertips on your cleansed skin and under and around the delicate eye area until it's absorbed. Use twice a day. And you can partner it with some cucumbers and infused Wonder Eye Cream for your skin smoothing moisture. So this is the Balance Me Eye Cream. So we have the, I think it's called Fakai Curl Refresh. And I'll pass that along to my young one. And then I have a woven throw blanket. So I'm excited about this. It's perfect for fall time. Woven throw blanket. and it's by Little Corboose. So I can't wait to use it. And it's machine washable on a gentle cycle, tumble dry low. And yes, it is 100% cotton. So I totally expect it to be much smaller after I wash it. But I love blankets of all kinds and have throws everywhere. So that's just fine with me. So next up, what do we have here? We have Mood from the Lifestyle Company with a scented candle. And it's another candle. So in the fall, you can never have enough candles, right? This one smells delicious. It's called Mood. So I like that. This one I'm going to keep in the box. So I have 2 new candles for fall. That is it for our box this fall. Thank you for joining me. Like, follow, and subscribe for more. See you later.